Hey, how are you? This is Radikal Hughes, also known as the Radical Marketer here. And I just have a huge favor to ask you before we get into this video. If you can go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and smash that like button to this video, that would be a massive blessing to us here. As many of you know, we have a main channel with 90,000 subscribers as of this recording right now. And the last thing we want to ever do is stop serving you freely with content that other people make you pay for. Our whole channel here is to help everybody level up to a solid playing field. I mean, I tell people all the time, the banks and the gurus hate me. They really do. I have mentors and mentorships that hate me because I'm giving this free content to help people freely level up in their lives. When you are financially free and when you are financially literate in the credit game, the sky is the limit for you and your dreams. So if you can, like I said, if you can like and smash the subscribe button, it may not seem big to you, but it's massive to us because we are going to be using this channel simultaneously with the other channel and dropping content on a daily basis going here forward. Okay, so if we can get this channel close to 90,000, that'd be amazing. Hey, shoot, maybe we can even pass it. Okay, but with all that being said, I hope you enjoy the inquiry removal 24-hour guide from Experian that other people are charging a lot of money for, or $50, $100 for, and it's completely free for you. Okay, I'm gonna keep dropping these free gems on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Love each and every one of you. Enjoy the video. You asked for it, ladies and gentlemen. You wanted the 24-hour inquiry removal hack for Experian, and I'm gonna deliver it to you today. Not only am I gonna tell you the exact script you need to say, because this is a game of legalities and verbal jargon, but I'm also going to call them up so you guys can hear the prompts, okay? But before we do all of that, I need every single one of you right now to smash that like button. I need every single one of you to send this video to somebody that needs to see it, because there's a lot of credit gurus out there selling their inquiry removal guides for the last 6 months on sale, or the credit repair companies trying to charge you $50, $250 for inquiry removals, and that's just flat out ridiculous. You know how we do it. The gurus hate us, and the banks hate us because we tell you what they want you to pay for and what they don't want you to know. All stuff and no fluff. So do me a solid favor right now and smash that like button. And for all of my first-time viewers, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan, Radikal Hughes, the Radical Marketer. I help people build credit, leverage credit, and create wealth. We're a community here that wants everybody to level up. So comment first-time viewer or first-time watching so all of us can give you a massive, massive warm welcome. And you know what time it is. It's emoji dance time. So throw in your comments right now. Get this video soaring in the algorithm and let's get into it. Now, this is going to be for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a lawyer. I am not whatever else I need to say legality wise, because this is a video that could be borderline gray area. Okay, so I'm going to tell you just what people do to get these inquiry removals done, right? I'm going to tell you what the credit repair companies do. I'm going to tell you what all these gurus tell you I can get your inquiries removed. I'm going to tell you the exact script that they say. I've got it. Like, I know it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do when we call Experian, okay, is everybody call 714-830-7000. All right, let's do it. Now they're going to be closed, but I'm going to show you how the prompts look.
Thank you for calling Experian. If you are a consumer and would like assistance with your personal credit report, press 1. If you are a business or client of Experian, press 2.
You always press 2.
Please hold while I transfer your call. You've reached us after business hours and we're currently closed. Please call us back during our standard business hours month.
All right, they're closed, like I said, but that's what you do. You call that number and you push 2. What's going to happen then is a gatekeeper is going to get on the phone and you're going to tell them, hey, I want to talk to the fraud department. They may try to vet you a little bit, but you just say, I want to speak to the fraud department, okay? They're going to transfer you to another department. That's actually not going to be it either most of the time. It can be, okay? But what's going to happen is eventually somebody's going to get on the phone. You're going to keep saying, I want to speak to the fraud department. I have inquiries that need to be removed. They're fraudulent. I don't recognize them. Whatever jargon you want to say there, okay? Because the burden on proof for an inquiry is on them, not you, okay? So they have to prove it by law, okay? So here we go, all right? So once you get them on the phone, the special services or whatever is going to try to verify you. They're going to verify you, and then basically you're going to say to them that you notice unauthorized inquiries on your credit report, and you notice someone must have applied for something in your name, okay? Then they're going to stall with some type of BS or some type of corporate answer like they've trained to do, because you guys got to think about it. How many people have done this inquiry removal hack? I mean, how many people have talked about it, right? This is not, they're not hip. They're hip to the game, people. They know that people do this and these inquiries aren't fraudulent. There's a small number of people out there that know about this. Now you're one of them. So basically, they're going to come back with some BS, and then you're going to tell them, hey, listen, I've sent several disputes to remove these hard inquiries. They are fraudulent, and I want you to get them removed, okay? Then they'll say, let me check, okay? They're going to look to see if you've actually done that. And then you're just going to have to stand your ground, okay? You're going to have to basically say, hey, listen, due to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, legally, these unverified and unauthorized items must be removed. I don't know why you haven't received these letters. I don't know why you haven't received my notification, but I'm telling you right now, they're not mine and they need to be removed. Okay? The bottom line is I'm not, like I said, I'm not telling people how to lie. I'm not telling people how to do that. I'm telling you guys what people do to get this done. Okay? And I feel like many people have had these type of inquiries that have been fraudulent on their report, like especially when you go to a car lot and they just bring out your credit everywhere and you didn't know about that. That'd be a situation, right? So that's basically what's going to happen. Now, they're going to look into, they're basically going to come back on the phone and they're going to say, okay, what accounts need to be disputed? You're going to list all of the accounts attached to your open or closed accounts, right? And then they're going to ask about you submitting an FTC police report on these accounts, and then the correct answer to get them removed would be yes, you have reported this and you've already done this. If they ask, have you contacted the original creditors, you're also going to reply, yes, you already done this. If you say no to any of those answers, game over, you lost, okay? Because they've got to do their due diligence to make sure that you've done what you've supposed to have already done, okay? Then what's going to happen is they're going to remove those inquiries. You should see them removed within 24 to 1 to 3 days. Okay, we call it the 24-hour removal hack because it's marketing, but it could take up to 3 days. Now, if you don't see that being done in 3 days, I would call them back, say, hey, listen, I spoke to so-and-so, and make sure you get the agent's number and what their name is, what department they're out of, so that way you can document all of this. Hey, listen, I called the other day. I spoke to Joe in North Carolina's office, and he said that he was going to remove these. I haven't seen them done. I need them removed now. Okay? Also, here's another tip. If you don't get anywhere with the agent that you're working with, hang up and call again. Okay? Some people just want to be, company employee of the day that day, and they may give you the hardest time ever with this process because, like I said, people already know about that. Now, I also want to let you know this as well. If you're going to do any type of, and comment below if you've ever had inquiries removed from Experian. Comment below. I want to see all the winners that have actually done it. Also, what were some of the hiccups that you may have had? And have you also gotten them done with Equifax and TransUnion? I'd also be interested to know that as well. But just interact with each other. Ask your credit questions as well. Like I said, if we get enough momentum on this video, I will do inquiry removal hacks for the TransUnion and Equifax. Like I said, people are trying to sell you these different removal guides and things like that. You don't need it. This is the exact script that gets things done. Hey, listen, I sent in the letters. I've contacted the original creditors due to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. I don't recognize these. You need to verify these. They're not from me, right? And then boom, okay? Experian is the one that's doing it right now because the CFPB, okay, they regulate those credit bureaus and they can be sued big time. They can be held accountable big time. So that is why you see people getting these inquiries removed, because they know the law, they know consumer law, and this is the exact pitch that you need to be using. Like I said, I will list the exact verbiage in the description below so you guys can all have it. Make sure you like this video and send it to somebody that you know. Join our private Facebook. The link is in the description below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We're going to be posting on it every single day. We're not going to let what happened to us last month hold us back ever again. We're going to have 2 channels posting every single day, one on the other channel. Okay, so you're never going to miss a video. All right. Love you guys so much. Add me on Instagram at Radikal Hughes. If it's not verified, it's not me. So make sure that you you go at the verified account at Radikal Hughes, join the private Facebook group, comment below, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Salute.